Hollandaise has made eggs Benny an all-time favourite on cafe menus, but there's so much more to this sauce than just eggs Benny. Bacon and eggs have been besties forever. Here's a sauce idea to take the classic bacon and egg roll to another level. Mix Knorr Hollandaise sauce and chipotle barbecue sauce together and nappe over the egg. Your customers still love a Benny, so let's give it a modern twist. In a small pot, heat Hollandaise and avo using a stick blender, blitz slowly, incorporating the butter and vinegar until thick and creamy, and then simply spoon it over the top. Smash avo's very on trend, but here's how you give it a cool Spanish vibe. Smash your avo and Knorr lime powder together. This seasons and prevents oxidization. Grab your plate, start with your smash avo, top with your corn fritters, finishing off with your Knorr Hollandaise sauce. This one's a real crowd pleaser all day long. For a difference, mix Knorr lime powder and Hollandaise sauce together, drizzle it on top, or simply serve it on the side as a dipping sauce. So get creative and go Benny and beyond.